Hey everybody, I know you've been wondering what we feed the possums, and my wife, Tam, is going to take us through the process of making possum diet.
We start the possum diet by making Peter's food, and it's a careful mixture of protein. In this case, it's going to be moistened dog pellets, no more than 30% protein, and mixed vegetables, the more variety the better, and yogurt as a source of calcium. Oh, and I happen to have some kale, we'll throw that in too. You might wonder why we put it in a food processor. You want to break up all that into very small pieces that they can't pick out choice pieces and leave other nutritious parts out. You also have to provide a source of fruit, and the greater the diversity of fruit, the better, what you have on hand. And I put in half an apple and half a banana. I'm going to puree that in the blender. Next, we need to make up some formula, and I use an Espalac for a puppy milk replacer, but you could probably use a multi-species milk replacer, and follow the directions on the can on how to do that. And I put in 1 cup of the powder formula to 3 cups of water. That makes it up really good. So we're ready to make the possum food. We've got our milk replacer formula, and we've got our Peter's food, which I explained earlier. Here's the fruit mixture, and the last item is about 2 teaspoons of a protein mixture, and this happens to be some sardine and salmon with bone included, and some hard-boiled eggs. So our possums are between 100 and 200 grams, and so the ratio of formula to Peter's food to protein and fruit has to be carefully monitored. So at their stage, they get 50% formula, and so I'm going to put about 2 cups formula in. Next, about 1.5 cups of Peter's food. About 1/3 cup of fruit, and 2 teaspoons of the protein mixture. And then I'm going to put this back in the blender. So this is probably going to make about 1 quart of food, and that will last 1 day.
Yummy!
So this food for the possums works until they're 200 grams. And after 200 grams, we're going to change the formula, decrease the amount of formula, increase the amount of the vegetable matter and the fruit and the protein.